Numbers show certain areas of the valley have particularly high levels of air pollution, and some families are saying they're having breathing problems.
It's something one local organization is looking to alleviate. Cronkite News reporter Frankie McLister tells us more. Frankie?
Yeah, communities of color are affected the most, and now activists want them to be informed so that they can breathe easier and cleaner.
Living here in South Phoenix, it's so much different than living in a wealthier area. Here in this community, we don't have trees, we don't have clean transportation.
In all these factors, they add up to dirty air Colomba Sant says is affecting her young daughter's health. It got so bad, the little girl began wheezing just after spending a few hours outside in the summer.
I took her to the doctor and they told me that it was because of air pollution.
Air pollution is affecting certain areas of the valley more than others, which is why Chispa, Arizona, a grassroots organization which focuses on what it calls climate justice, has an initiative geared towards informing the public.
Get rid of fossil fuels. Because fossil fuels are what causes carbon emissions, and carbon emissions are going up and up and up.
PM10.
Dr. Darshan Karwa is an assistant professor at ASU's School of Innovation and Society. His research, which uses data from the Environmental Protection Agency, shows how communities of color are disproportionately affected by polluted air.
So we care about particulate matter and ozone, and because they affect our ability to breathe well.
And activists are demanding local authorities put more effort and resources into reducing the higher levels of air pollution in certain areas. For its part, the Maricopa County Air Quality Department says, quote, while smoke concentrations can be high in neighborhoods all over the valley, the smoke tends to travel and settle in the lower elevations of the south and southwestern portions of the city during the evening. And officials with the department also added that while air pollution has declined over the decades, clean air standards have yet to be met. And while it's uncertain if that will ever happen, parents like Sant say it's not fair their children are suffering more, simply just because of the zip code that they live in.
It becomes an environmental injustice because they have to move to one of those wealthier areas, and children do not deserve that.
And the data shows that the western and southern portions of Phoenix are hit hardest when it comes to dirty air pollution. In Phoenix downtown, Frankie McLister for Cronkite News.